Hi, I'm Alan.
And I'm Sarah.
We're installing window blinds today. First step, measure the opening. We have 31. And then you'll want to measure this way too. It's 34. Now the blinds are normally longer than you need, but you want to know, make sure. So the box that we bought says 31 by 64. Actual 30 and a half. You always want to go smaller on the actual, otherwise obviously it's not going to fit.
So right now you're screwing the blind holder clip to the stud,
Yes.
to the top.
The bracket.
The bracket, that's a good word for it. I personally like blind holder clip.
And these are cordless blinds. So the brackets are different for the ones that are corded. And we'll show you the corded ones in a minute.
What are you doing now, Sarah?
We are attaching the blind to the bracket to go at an angle. Good.
Sarah's got it. Wow. Quick and easy, just how you like it.
Yeah.